Hey everybody, today we're looking at this air purifier by HIMOX. Let's get right into it. In the box we got a user's manual, some little mini filters for aromatherapy, HEPA filter which was contained in the bottom part of the purifier, and in the purifier itself, which has a real nice low-key sleek design. Now the purifier is really easy to use and straightforward, and it's also going to remove 99.9% of airborne pollutants. That's going to cover allergens, pet dander and dust, mold, smoke, and weird odors, and even more. All you have to do is just hit the button on the front, and there's 3 levels, kind of a low, medium, and then a high, which would be good for smoke or other weird odors. But even in the highest setting, it's not that loud. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like a light fan running, but if you really need air purification at a high level, it's not going to be that inconvenient. There's also a timer function right up here you can touch. The first touch is 4 hours, 8 hours, and then off. There's also a little indicator light at the top that'll remind you when it's time to change the filter. And if you want to do aromatherapy, right on the top here, there's a little cutout for the sponges. You just put a few drops of your essential oils right there, and it'll aromatize your area as it does its cleaning. So if you're looking for an affordable air purifier that works, isn't loud, and has a nice low-key build that's going to fit into any home, then this is definitely the thing that you're going to want to check out.